Hola estudiantes. We're going to do a math lesson right now. And the math lesson is about counting by tens. And if you remember, I taught you how to count by tens using your hands. So if we start on 10 and we count by tens on a 100 chart, we would be going down a column. So let's put our hands out like this and say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So now that we counted to 100 by tens, let's go ahead and do lesson 6-3, which is counting groups of 10. All right, let me make my camera small and we're going to click on the screen. So this is the page that you're going to do with me, 6-3. Let's put our name here. Alright, so what we're going to do on this side of the page is we are going to count groups of 10. So I want you to pretend you have a whole bunch of counters and you're going to put 10 in each one of these rows. And then we're going to count by tens because every time we're going to add a new set of 10. So let's go ahead and put in 10 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So here we only have 10, so we're going to go ahead and trace the 10. Alright, now what if we had some more counters and we went ahead and put 10 more? So let's go ahead and do 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So now we have 20 because we had 10 before and we added 10 more. Alright, so if we counted by ones, we could say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Or we could just say 10, 20. Alright, so let's go ahead and trace the 20. And remember, the 2 means there are 2 tens, and 0 means there's no extra. Alright, now let's go ahead and add another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, once you have those new circles in, now we have 30. So it would be the same thing as if we were getting our hands and going 10, 20, 30, right? Same thing. Now let's add another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. What would come next? Let's look at this pattern. Notice that all the numbers end with 0. So this is going to be another 0, right? But now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. So we're going to put a 4. And now we can say 10, 20, 30, 40. All right, now let's do one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So now we have 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. A 5 and a 0. And remember what 50 means. 50 means that there are 5 of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that are full and no extras. That's why we have a 0. Alright, let's turn this over. And on this side of the page, we're just going to be counting groups of 10. So look at the children on top. They're doing the same thing I taught you at the beginning, where we get our hands and we do this to, count the tens. So let's start with this plate of pairs. There's 10 of them there. So let's go ahead and write 10. And when we add another one, now we're going to have 20. And then we're going to have 30 and 40. So let's do that again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. If we add another 10, 5 and a 0. All right, let's continue. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 10 more is 60. Now we have a 6 and a 0. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 60, 70, 80. An 8 and a 0 now. So let's say them again. 60, 70, 80, 90. And if we add 10 more pairs, now we get to say 100. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to set you off on your own. I want you to do this last part on your own. It's the same thing we did over here. You're going to start with 10 strawberries, and then you keep counting by 10 until you're finished. All right? And then when you take a picture of this on Seesaw, make sure you take a picture of only this page. Let's see who really did the whole lesson. If you just show me this page, that means you really waited until the end to finish the video. All right? Good luck, you guys. Have fun.